Good morning. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muchamad Agung Setyawan and would like to present about my final project. Before that, I want to say thank you to Mr. Eru Puspita and Mr. Hari Octavianto as advisor lecturer.
Title is Design and Development of Meat Fresh Detection System based on smell and color sensor using microcontroller. Fresh meat is a major factor in determining the quality of meat. The fresh level of meat will determine whether meat is ready for consumption or not. Beef is one popular food with a source of high-quality protein in nutrition. Therefore, amount consumption of beef in Indonesia is always increased every year. The price of beef is more expensive than other types of meat. Meat is now a high commodity and the limited availability of meat on the market make the price of meat more expensive. That condition make meat trader to other hundred to get a lot profit by mixing fresh meat and fall meat, and it can bring manageable for consumption meal head. But the civilian awareness of the difference between fresh meat and fall meat. So it needs require testing of meat quality to solve it. In this functional box system, there are the 2 point for check and see the condition of meat, with smell and color of the meat for identify the color of meat using TCS3200, which is the function to record color condition of meat, while the function of MQ136 and MQ137 identify the smell of meat. If the smell of meat is increased, it means the meat is in the condition, and for color testing need additional light in the room to identify color of meat. The process of recognize the fresh of the meat one carried out using the neural network method. The input parameters of the neural network are designed to include sync input, the value of the gas sensor voltage MQ136 and MQ137, and the characteristic of the meat color in the form on red, green, and blue value. These few pitches of come from the equation performed by the microcontroller. TGS3200 sensor testing aim to determine whether the TGS3200 sensor can function properly to recognize the origin of the meat. The next step is the TGS3200 sensor for the meat, which is strong to be less fresh. The test results are obtained as follows. The following is the documentation for making tool for mechanic sensor sheets, meat testing, and circuit that are combined.